What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Think Welding and More. Today we're going to be doing part 5 of our Nissan Titan roll cage. Alright, so we're out here today to continue on with the roll cage. Today I'm going to be working on the B pillars. That's why I have the seat in here, so I can get correct measurements. First I'm going to start off by cutting holes in the floor and cleaning it up. After I put the B pillars in, I'll measure for the tube for the harnesses. After it's all tacked together, I'm gonna go ahead and weld out the whole cage and put it back in place and then keep moving forward. All right, so down here is the part that's going to hit the frame, and then up here's where it's going to tie into the roof of the roll cage. So the way I get this distance is I measure from the frame to the outside of the tube where the cab is, and I know I want about 1 inch of a gap, and that comes out to 7.5 inches for my cab. And the way that I lay it out is with this level or any kind of a straight edge. That's gonna make a square. This is a 45, and I know that I want from here to here, you know, distance from the cab to the frame. So I'll mark it kind of rough, and then I'll draw a darker line, and then I'll cut it and test fit it. It may not come out perfect the first time, but with trial and error you'll get a lot better at it, and you'll get those nice snug fit. All right, now that I got the B pillar made up and kind of sitting in place, I'm gonna go ahead and tack it up. That way I can get good measurements for the cross tube that's going to have the harnesses connected to it. Even though I have harnesses, I purposely set the B pillar back so I can keep the factory seat belt, because this still is a street legal truck and I don't want issues. So I push the B pillar back. That way I can reinstall the seat belt mechanism and the top anchor point. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack it up, and then we'll take measures for the crossbar. After the crossbar is installed, tacked up good, then I'm gonna attempt to weld out the roof of the roll cage. I will weld the bottom, cut it from the frame, lower the whole cage down, and then weld the top spots that I can't reach. After it's all welded up, probably put a jack in here and push the center back up, and then weld it to the frame when I'm happy with the position. So let's keep moving forward. so I got this piece of tubing fit in place. I'm gonna tack it up and then move on to welding out the roll cage. Alright, so as far as today, I'm gonna end the video here. I do put a lot of work into making these videos, so if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, share it with your friends. I'll see you next time. Peace.